MEXC Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to MEXC are in the description. MEXC is a popular cryptocurrency exchange offering a diverse range of staking options through its MX DeFi and POS staking services. Designed for both beginners and experienced investors, MEXC provides flexible and fixed staking options, allowing users to earn passive income on a variety of cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional staking platforms, MEXC integrates Dash DeFi staking, which offers higher yields by participating in decentralized finance protocols while keeping the process user-friendly. One of the standout features of MEXC staking is its wide asset support, including top POS coins like Ethereum, Polkadot, DOT, Solana, and Binance Coin BNB, as well as stablecoins and DeFi tokens. Users can choose from fixed staking, which locks funds for a set period with higher returns, or flexible staking, which allows withdrawals at any time but offers slightly lower rewards. The MX DeFi feature is particularly appealing, enabling users to stake their assets in liquidity pools to maximize yield farming rewards. MEXC also provides high annual percentage yields, APYs, often exceeding industry averages, depending on the asset and staking duration. The platform updates APYs regularly, giving users real-time insights into potential earnings. Staking rewards are automatically distributed, and for flexible staking, users can withdraw both their principal and rewards anytime without penalties. Security is a priority for MEXC, with multi-layer encryption, cold storage solutions, and rigorous risk management to protect users' funds. Additionally, no technical expertise is needed, making it easy for beginners to start staking with just a few clicks. Overall, MEXC staking is ideal for those looking for a high-yield, diversified staking experience with flexible options. It's perfect for users who want to stake without locking funds for long periods while still earning competitive returns. Whether you're a passive investor or an active trader, MEXC offers one of the most accessible and profitable staking platforms available. Check the links in the description to start staking with MEXC today.